Biased and Trusting Instinct. So we're looking at this book. So on page 39, we're looking at the blue eye, brown eye experiment. I just love the way that Pragya mixes the showing of research with practical examples on how unconscious bias works in society. So she speaks about us being taught in society to trust our instincts, but our instincts are also biased. So when using them, we use what's known as System 1 thinking, which is irrational. It's not based on fact. And so she mentions the blue eye, brown eye experiment conducted by race educator Jane Brown the day after Dr. Martin Luther King was assassinated. She used it in a class of 7-year-olds. They were all white, and she wanted them to understand discrimination. And she wanted them to know what it felt like. So she told them that the brown-eyed pupils were more superior. And it didn't take long for her lovely children, the brown-eyed children, to start treating the blue-eyed children as inferior by calling them names and ignoring them during break times, for example. So she states that the experiment wasn't without its critics, as you can imagine, but it was a landmark in showing how environmental cues, which are cues around a person that indicate what is happening and what they should do as a result, how they can strongly influence our biases and encourage us to stick with people who are very similar to us, aka our in-group, people in that in-group. So what this makes me think of is areas like recruitment, where unconscious bias affects people regularly. It's just one of many areas. So whilst I know many organisations are working towards mitigating this problem with things like the Rooney Rule and blind applications, there are plenty of opportunities for bias to seep in. How rigorous is the training, and how is it continually supported to ensure that people are not only aware of the bias, but they can do something different? So anyway, remember that we talk about race here, and if you want to learn more about systemic racism from the comfort of your own home, for free, sign up to our Time to Talk About Race taste course at strawberrywordscourses.co.uk.